Greetings to our science enthusiasts. Welcome to our podcast in a fascinating world of atoms. Today, we embark on an electrifying journey to the fundamental properties of atoms. Please join me as we explore the mysteries of the multi-blanks of our universe. I am Rosana Novento, your host. And now, before we start, please allow me to introduce to you our guests for today's episode. We have Ms. Catherine Macanias and Ms. Sherry Akamoro, who studied atoms and performed series of experiments. Welcome to our podcast. Please have a seat. First off, what exactly is an atom? Well, think of it as the building blocks of matter. It is the tiniest unit of chemical elements that retains the properties of an atom. But what properties are we talking about?
So one key element property is what we call atomic number, and also it defined as an element, and also it tells us the number of protons of atoms in a nucleus. Protons are the positively charged subatomic particles found in the nucleus of an atom. They contribute to the mass of atom, determine the atomic number, which identifies the element. Whereas neutrons are the neutrals of atomic particles also located in the nucleus, and also it adds to the mass of the atom, but does not affect its chemical properties except isotopes. While electron is the negatively charged that orbit the nucleus in specific energy levels or shells. They involve in chemical bonding and determine atoms' reactivity. The nucleus is the central part of atoms. It contains protons and neutrons. It is where most of the atom mass are concentrated. Electron shells. Electrons occupy in specific energy levels or shells. These shells are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on, and can hold a certain number of electrons each, 2, 8, 18, and so on. Next up, we have this atomic mass. It is the sum of protons and neutrons and electrons. It gives atoms their weight.
We also have that electron configuration, right? So what does it mean?
Yes, let's talk about electron configurations. Electrons orbit the nucleus, or it turns around the nucleus in a specific energy levels or shells. Each of them are capable of holding a certain numbers of atoms.
As far as I know, atoms can also form different types of bonds based on their properties. So, what bonds is it?
Yes, we have this ionic bond. It occurs when the atoms transfer electrons, while the covalent bonds, it forms when the atoms share electrons. Yes, that's right. These properties dictate how atoms interact with each other to form molecules and compounds, which in turn make up everything in the universe.
Okay, thank you for spending time with us. We highly appreciate your presence today. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and the ideas to us. We've learned a lot from you, so thank you so much. And there you have it, a wrap of our introduction into the atomic structure and properties. Keep curious and keep exploring. Remember, the world of atoms is full of endless wonders waiting to be discovered. Please join me next time as we delve even deeper into the wonders of science.